Where does evaporation of water occur from? A. Deep underground. B. Only clouds. C. Only rivers. D. Surface of the earth. The correct answer is D. Surface of the earth. What does electron relate to in the term electrolysis? A. Production. B. Light. C. Decomposition. D. Electricity. The correct answer is D. Electricity. Which of the following is a step involved in conventional wastewater treatment methods? A. Distillation. B. Freezing. C. Incineration. D. Aeration. The correct answer is D. Aeration. Which sample is labeled B in the given list? A. Honey. B. Pepper. C. Sugar. D. Chili powder. The correct answer is A. Honey. What does genetic engineering aim to create by transferring genes between organisms? A. Sterile hybrids. B. Enhanced disease resistance in plants. C. New breeds of domesticated animals. D. Organisms with manipulated genetic material. The correct answer is D. Organisms with manipulated genetic material. What is the basic mechanism of movement used in most vertebrates? A. Locomotion. B. Burrowing. C. Flight. D. Jumping. The correct answer is A. Locomotion. What is the electronic configuration of an atom of aluminium? AU2, 8, 4. B2, 8, 2. C2, 8, 3. D2, 8, 1. The correct answer is C2, 8, 3. What is a characteristic of the image formed by a plane mirror? A. It is laterally inverted. B. It is smaller than the object. C. It is inverted vertically. D. It is magnified. The correct answer is A. It is laterally inverted. What type of radiation is cautioned against frequent exposure? A. Alpha particles. B. X-rays. C. Gamma rays. D. Beta particles. The correct answer is B. X-rays. What tool is suggested to measure the length of a curved line? A. A ruler. B. A compass. C. A measuring tape. D. A string. The correct answer is D. A string. Fabrics like polyester and nylon are examples of what general category? A. Synthetic fibers. B. Ceramic fibers. C. Metallic fibers. D. Natural fibers. The correct answer is A. Synthetic fibers. What principle is illustrated by birds pushing air downwards with their wings? A. Newton's first law. B. Law of conservation of energy. C. Newton's third law. D. Newton's second law. The correct answer is C. Newton's third law. What type of enzyme acts on food in the stomach of a leech? A. Cellulolytic enzyme. B. Amylolytic enzyme. C. Proteolytic enzyme. D. Lipolytic enzyme. The correct answer is C. Proteolytic enzyme. In the activity window, which button can be clicked to open the curtain? A. Atomic shuffle. B. Next. C. Replay. D. The cycle. The correct answer is D. The cycle. What is the atomic mass of sulfur S as listed. A. 23. B. 24. C. 32. D. 16. The correct answer is C. 32. Which of the following is an example of diffusion? A. Ice melting in a drink. B. A ball rolling down a hill. C. Water boiling in a pot. D. Perfume filling a whole room. The correct answer is D. Perfume filling a whole room. What is the trend observed in the physical properties of members within a homologous series as their molecular mass increases? A. They become less reactive. B. They exhibit a regular gradation. C. They become more acidic. D. They show no particular trend. The correct answer is B. They exhibit a regular gradation. Which of the following is an example of a diamagnetic substance? A. Cobalt. B. Iron. C. Nickel. D. Copper. The correct answer is D. Copper. Who postulated the use and disuse theory of organs? A. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. B. Alfred Russel Wallace. C. Charles Darwin. D. Gregor Mendel. The correct answer is C. Charles Darwin. What type of bond does the compound CH4 primarily exhibit? A. Ionic. B. Metallic. C. Covalent. D. Van der Waals. The correct answer is C. Covalent. What characteristic of atoms did Rutherford's model fail to explain? A. Their mass. B. Their reactivity. C. Their stability. D. Their charge. The correct answer is C. Their stability. What unit performs logic computations? A. Memory unit. B. Arithmetic logic unit. C. Monitor. D. Link. The correct answer is B. Arithmetic logic unit. What is the term for the permanent cessation of menstruation in a woman? A. Menopause. B. Ovulation. C. Puberty. D. Menstruation. The correct answer is A. Menopause. Which generation of computers first used transistors? A. Third generation. B. First generation. C. Second generation. D. Fourth generation. The correct answer is C. Second generation. What are the two main components of blood? A. Water and minerals. B. Plasma and formed elements. C. Enzymes and hormones. D. Proteins and glucose. The correct answer is B. Plasma and formed elements. What happens to the direction of an electromagnet's magnetic field as pulses of electricity pass through its coil? A. It changes rapidly. B. It slowly dissipates. C. It remains constant. D. It reverses only once. The correct answer is A. It changes rapidly. What happened to Thomas Alva Edison's hearing capacity when he was a child? A. It remained unchanged. B. It improved significantly. C. It was reduced. D. It fluctuated unpredictably. The correct answer is C. It was reduced. Which of the following is not a classification of materials based on their behavior in a magnetic field? A. Non-magnetic materials. B. Diamagnetic materials. C. Paramagnetic materials. D. Ferromagnetic materials. The correct answer is A. Non-magnetic materials. Until what period were all colorants applied based on their parent structure? A. The Renaissance. B. The middle of the 19th century. C. The Roman Empire. D. The 20th century. The correct answer is B. The middle of the 19th century. Which type of pollinator is described as the best? A. Silkworms. B. Insects. C. Bees. D. Hummingbirds. The correct answer is C. Bees. How did you score?